What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to open an LLC in Georgia. So to open up your LLC and to get your business started and to open up like a business bank account, a business credit card, all of that stuff, you're going to need to create your LLC and to also get an EIN number for your LLC. So when creating your LLC and getting your LLC established, you always want to make sure that you renew it every year. Just because you create the LLC, to keep it active though, you have to make sure you renew it every year. It's usually more or less in the beginning of the year. And then you're also going to need to get the EIN number for the LLC. What is an EIN number? Pretty much that's like EIN number is like the social security of the business, right? You get this from the IRS and it's like an 8 to 9 digit number that's always going to be for your LLC. And for the EIN number, you don't have to, get a new one every year. It's really one and done. And then whenever you have to open up a business bank account, a business credit card, they always ask for that EIN number, and that's how that goes. So to create the LLC, it's only going to take like 5 minutes. I'm going to have the link of everything in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. If you want to use Zen Business, it's literally going to be real fast and easy. We're going to do this video real fast. You're going to have your LLC done in 5 minutes. Highly recommend you to do it, walk through the whole process with me. That way, by today you can have your LLC established, right? So let's go and get started. So right in front of me, I have Zen Business, and you're going to pick the business name that you want. For me, I sell full-time on Amazon, so I'm going to put Midtown Power Seller for this example. And you don't have to put LLC, you can just put that business name because it's going to do it for you. And now you're going to click this bottom right one here, and you click start, and then you're going to click the state. We're going to go to Georgia, scroll a little to the bottom here, click next. How much experience do you have running a business? You have some, right? Will your business have employees in the first year? For me, it's just going to be me because I sell online. If you have employees or you're planning on hiring employees, click yes, 1 to 5. Will your business address be different from your home address? For me personally, I always have it as my home address because I sell online. It depends on yourself. Maybe that you have a storefront or a retail store, then maybe, the address will be different. But for me, I sell on Amazon, I sell online. So I always use my house home address for the LLC. So for me, I'm gonna click no here. How far along are you on your business? Launching soon, 1 to 2 months. What are your business goals? I'm gonna put primary income. You can either put side business or the next big thing. I'm going to put primary income. What kind of business are you forming? So you're going to click this little drop box here, and there's going to be a ton of categories and industries that you can choose from. For me, I do e-commerce, so I'm just going to type it here. E-commerce, we're going to click it. I'm going to click next. Do you want to save the progress? No, we're probably going to get done with this in like 3 more minutes, so I'm going to show you guys how to do the whole thing. Skip this. Appoint your state registered agent. So a lot of people tend to get confused with this about the state registered agent, and I would say 90 to 95% of the people watching this are going to be their own registered agent. The only time you're not your own registered agent is if you don't live in that state. Then you would have to hire someone to be your own registered agent. Why would people do this? Is because, maybe if there's some states that have more LLC powers than other states. So if maybe your accountant, your CPA tells you, hey, you might want to consider making an LLC in another state, Wyoming, because they have more privacy, stuff like that. I mean, for me, I always am the registered agent for my LLCs. I would recommend you to be as well, unless your CPA recommends you otherwise, right? So we're gonna go back here, and you're gonna click I'll appoint my own registered agent, which is going to be yourself. And then they're asking, are you sure? Yes. I want to appoint someone else, which is going to be yourself. Now you're going to choose a package here, right? So there's the starter, the pro, and the premium. I personally like the starter and the pro. I think the premium is a little bit overpriced in my opinion. But with the starter here, what I really like about Zen Business is that it's free to use their service if you use the starter. All you have to do is pay that state filing fee of $100. The downfall to this, honestly, is that longer filing fee. It takes 2 to 3 weeks to file and you don't get the EIN number. A little bummer there. Of the pro, you pay $199 plus the state filing fee. You get it filed in 5 to 6 days and you also get the EIN number as well. So let's say you wanted to save money. You can always get the starter, right? You can click next, go down here, and you could click get the EIN number for $99, right? Let's go back here. So you can pay $99 extra, get the EIN number if you don't mind waiting those 2 to 3 weeks. Let's say for this example, we want to save some money. We don't mind waiting the 2 or 3 weeks. So let's go with this one, right? We're going to click next, and we're going to get the EIN number because the EIN number is going to allow us to get that business bank account, the business credit card. All right, now there's a little bit add-on features here. No, thank you. Do you want a business bank account? No, thank you. Bookkeeping? No, thank you. Website builder? No, thank you. And now they're going to ask if you want rush filing, 5 to 6 days for $79. I don't mind waiting for this example here. And now all you're going to do is fill out your personal info here. I'm going to put some random stuff because this is just an example, right? George. Okay, and we're going to click continue next, and that's it. All you have to do is make the payment. For the $100 is going to be towards the Georgia state filing fee, right? And then later on they'll probably charge you for the EIN number after they do it for you, but for the $100 will just be for the state filing fee of Georgia. So yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to creating an LLC and getting your LLC done. Literally real fast and easy. Doesn't get any easier than this. I try to make it real fast and transparent to you guys. Also, if you could hit that like button, subscribe if you're still watching, I'd really appreciate it. If you like this video, subscribe. Really helps out the channel, especially that it's new and it's free. So might as well just do it. Click that stuff. And like I said, if you want to get your LLC started, I'll have the links in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comment, so you can do the same process like me and get your LLC done. I highly recommend you to start your own business. Probably one of the best things that I've done for my life. And starting up your own business could be hard in the beginning, but it's very rewarding and I highly recommend it. Like, I've only worked one full-time job my whole entire life, and I've worked for myself pretty much my whole life. I recommend you to be your own boss and do the same. So that's about it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. See you guys on the next one. Peace.